The next topic in the computer graphics, we have the topic related to the color models, which is the conversion of RGB to HSB. For the conversion of the RGB model to HSB, we have the input, that is the RGB, or this RGB values are to be converted into the HSV. So the output will be HSV. What values are to be used for red, green and blue? 0 to 255 range में से होगी. Hue, saturation value depending upon the angle, saturation value 0 to 255, values 0 to 255. So the step 1 for the conversion is normalize the RGB value to V in the range of 0 to 1. So we get these values by small r equals to r divided by 255. R means what value is to be used for R. For example, the value is 255. For that purpose, 255 is divided by 255. We get the R value is 1. If we have the other value like 122 divided by 255, then the value is 0 point something. So we get the round off value. We take the round off value. So similarly, small g is equal to capital G divided by 255 and small b is equal to capital B divided by 255. Here the small r, g and b are the normalized RGB values. So step 2 is find the difference between maximum and the minimum value. So capital M is represent the maximum value and small m represent the minimum value. So what from these RGB values we get some values like 0 point something 5, 0 0.6, 1, ranges from 0 to 1. So we have the we want to get the maximum value from R, G and B. Out of three values, whichever value is maximum, that is the value for capital M. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आर जी बी में जिसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी, फॉर एग्जांपल 1,0.5,0.8 है, तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज़ 1. सो एम की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1. सिमिलरली फॉर द मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या होगी 1,0.5,0.8. मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 0.5. सो द डिफरेंस, हाउ वी calculate the difference? Capital M minus small m. Clear? So what is the result? 1 minus 0.5. The result is difference is 0.5. Step is 3 is calculate the value of V. How we can get the value of V is equal to maximum R comma G comma B. So तीनों में से maximum क्या है 1, तो value is 1. Step 4 calculate the saturation value. If the distance is equal to 0, आउटपुट क्या आई थी 0.5, तो राउंड ऑफ लेके 1 वैल्यू. देन द सैचुरेशन इज इक्वल टू 0. अदरवाइज सैचुरेशन इज डिफरेंस जितना आया 0.5 डिवाइड बाय m. m is what? The maximum value. So 1 divided by 1. If we take the round off value of 0.5, the difference from maximum to the minimum value, maximum we have the 1 value and minimum we have the 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 becomes 0.5. So if we take the round off value of 0.5, then we get the 1 value. So difference is 1. If the difference is 0, then the saturation value is 0. Otherwise, difference is 1 divided by 1 becomes 1. So the saturation value is 1. Third point is calculate hue. Hue is in terms of the angle. So capital M is equals to R. Then if the capital M is equal to R, minimum value क्या आई है R के इक्वल है. Then H equals to 60 into G minus B divided by the difference into the mod 6. If the maximum value is equal to G, which means that अगर मैक्सिमम तीनों में से R की वैल्यू है, then this formula is to be used for the hue. If G की है, this formula is to be used, which is 60 into 2 plus B minus R divided by the difference. If the B value is to be maximum, then the hue can be calculated by 60 into 4 plus R minus G divided by the difference. So the last step is output values, which are to be calculated by the step 3, 4 and the 5 are to be represented for this algorithm. So this is a complete process for the conversion of RGB to HSB color model.